That muddy river, it was rolling. We didn't care where it was going. We had it made, we didn't know when we were young, dumb, and so full of it. Broken bottles and graffiti, and fearing girls and popping wheelies. Love was fun and life was easy. Now it's just water under the bridge. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Blades Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if there are other songs you want to learn in the comments. Also, thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed, for everyone who's liked, even just the people. I mean, I've been getting more people lately just telling me like, hey, I love your stuff. Thank you so much for that. I really do love it. There's so much negativity in the world. I just love it when there's positivity. So thank you so much. So this is how to play Water Under the Bridge by Sam Hunt. And this is a super easy song, like crazy easy. There's only 3 chords. They're in the same order throughout the whole thing, okay? I'm going to show you one difference after when you get to like the bridge. I'm going to show you how to play that part, but so stick with me through it. I'm not showing you how to play the solo, but I am showing you how to play the bridge part there too. So I'm going to show you the strumming pattern, the chords that you're going to play, and where you play them with all of the lyrics. So just to make it really easy for you guys, okay? So yeah, let's get down to it. So it's in standard tuning and has a capo on the 3rd fret, okay? So the way that this song goes, I guess they're not always in the same order, the chords, because at the beginning they start with G, D, A. Okay, that's like that very beginning part. And you can just kind of do G, D, A, and then you're going to go into, you're going to start with D. Okay, and on this part, I'm not going to use a capo because I'm going to show you, you're going to try and play it softer for the verses. So you're just going to do, I can't believe this old road ain't washed out. So you're just gonna do down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so you can totally just play that strumming pattern. So you're gonna do D on I on I. I can't believe this old road ain't washed out. That no trespassing. So no trespassing is where you do G. Trespassing sign is still hanging around, and it ain't, and it's doing. So doing is A. Doing about as much good. So good is G. Good as it did back then. So back then is D. Back then. Yeah. And then you're going to stay on D. All right. So you're going to do, we used to load up on natty, unleaded. We used to load up on natty, unleaded, and smokes. Hide. So then hide is G. Hide from the sheriff and let down our folks. Okay. Folks. And then you can do park some old Chevy. In this part he goes faster and it's a little bit like off rhythm for him to be singing, but park some old Chevy jukebox up here is G, here on the bank, crank it. Okay, so crank is D, crank it till that thing won't crank. Okay, and then you're gonna do mute. That muddy river, it was rolling. Okay, so here, and you can do this for the verses too. You can do down, so that muddy river, it was rolling. So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you can do that one as well for the verses and everything, but when you do the verses, you're gonna do it softer. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? When you get to the chorus, you're gonna do louder, and for sure do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so here you're gonna do D, G, A. That muddy river, it was rolling. So rolling is D. Rolling. We didn't care where it was going. So going is G. Going. We had it made, we didn't know. So no is A. No, when we were young. So this part he sings faster. Young, dumb, and so full of it. So it is where you're gonna do D. A. Okay. A. Broken bottles and graffiti. So graffiti is where you do D. Feety. And fearing girls and popping wheelies. So wheelies is G. Wheelies. Love was fun and life was easy. So easy is A. Easy. Now it's just. So just is G. Just water under the bridge. So you do bridge is D. Bridge. A. Okay, and then you're going to go back into the verse and do D. So you're going to do D, G, A. I kissed a girl my buddies used to like. He showed up out here and he wanted to fight. Now I still Okay, so A is still. So you're gonna see how you could do either one. You could do, so that second one I showed you is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. You can totally do that in the verses as well. Okay, so the second verse is the same as the first one. The second chorus is the same. After the second chorus, you're just gonna do D, just like you're playing the chorus again. Okay, and then G, A. Okay, and then G, D, A. Okay, because that's like you're ending the chorus there, and then you're going to go back into that buddy. Okay, so you start on A, on that buddy, that muddy river, it was rolling. Okay, but you're going to do single strums here. That muddy river, it was rolling. We didn't care where it was going. We had it made, we didn't know when we was young, dumb, and so full of it. Yeah, broken bottles and graffiti. Okay, and then when you get to that graffiti part, that's where you're going to start. Broken bottles and graffiti. Okay, and then go into play it like that. Okay, now the way the song ends is you're just going to do dang, dang, it's good. So dang, it's good to crawl out down here on Saturday night. Just end it on that D. Okay, so that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and see me next time.